Oil versus wind, coal versus sun, the past versus the future. This isn't just an energy debate, it's a global power struggle shaping the fate of our planet. So, who's really winning? Fossil fuels or renewables? Fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas, have powered humanity for more than a century. They built our cities, our economies, our daily comforts, but they also built a climate crisis. Today, they still supply over 75% of global energy and are responsible for most of our carbon emissions. They're powerful, profitable, and deeply polluting, but things are shifting. Renewables like solar, wind, and hydro are gaining ground, fast. Solar is now the cheapest source of new electricity in history. Wind farms are expanding across continents. In 2024 alone, the world invested over $2 trillion in clean energy, nearly double what went to fossil fuels. The message? Clean energy isn't the future, it's already here. But this is far from a smooth transition. Fossil fuel giants aren't just letting go, they're rebranding themselves as green. They're investing in carbon capture, yes, but also doubling down on oil drilling. Governments pledge net zero, yet still approve new pipelines and exploration projects. Some call it a transition, others call it greenwashing. The truth, the fight is far from over. This isn't just about energy, it's about air quality, climate stability, global justice. It's about choosing between short-term profit and long-term survival. Renewables offer more than clean energy. They offer resilience, innovation, and hope. But they need commitment, political will, and urgency. Fossil fuels built the world we know, but renewables might just save the world we want. The battle is on. The future of energy is the future of everything. Follow ActNow for Planet Earth.